It's 2019 and there has not been an oven on the space station for freshly baked food. It's a seriously big deal.
3, 2, 1.
You know, when scientists began developing an oven designed to allow astronauts aboard the International Space Station to bake fresh food for the first time, they needed something to test. And what could possibly fit the bill better than a warm DoubleTree cookie?
So, I'm Ian Fichtenbaum.
I'm Jordana Fichtenbaum, and we are founders and co-chefs of Zero G Kitchen, which is a platform for food and cooking development in space.
Currently on the International Space Station, there's really a limited ability to prepare foods in the ways that we're used to.
You want to focus on making space more comfortable. When they get there, you don't want them complaining about the food.
One of the missions of DoubleTree by Hilton is to spread the warmth of hospitality throughout the world. And we just said, well, let's just take it to beyond the world. So here we are.
You know, Hilton first envisioned a lunar hotel way back in 1958. And while we're not quite on the moon yet, this news brings that dream closer to reality.
Well, I have a wonderful electronic invention I want you to see. It looks something like this.
Baking in space is different because there's no gravity. On Earth, that air is churning around in the oven, and that's convection. In space, that is not happening. Instead, we have to use conduction through the oven, conduction through the air to warm it up.
The partnership with these three companies is probably one of the most inspired partnerships in commercial space today. First, you have Nanorack, who is one of the most resourceful companies that builds things for the space station. Then we have DoubleTree by Hilton. I mean, what is more ideal for a first food item to be baked in our oven than the iconic chocolate chip cookie that greets people when they go to DoubleTree hotels and makes them feel warm and welcome. Science is awesome, food is awesome, and this is just going to be an amazing journey to see what comes out of this. Cheers.
Cheers. The DoubleTree cookie is going to make space travel more hospitable.
And delicious. For more information, visit cookiesinspace.com.